Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Zainab, working as a consultant in the Department of Pediatrics and Neonatology at Muslim Maternity Hospital, Chaderghat. In this short video, I will tell you what precautions you can take during the winter so that you have a smooth winter and an enjoyable winter. First and foremost things for kids, it's important that you keep them warm. Ensure that you layer your kids, you clothe your kids in multiple layers of clothing instead of a thick, heavy sweater. Because क्या होता है, most of the times when you give heavy sweaters for kids, they get overheated and gets uncomfortable. So ensure you clothe them in multiple layers of clothing which are made up of cotton or very soft material so that they are at ease. Second important thing, ensure their head is covered, ears are covered, and their hands and legs are covered whenever they are going out, which is going to keep them warm. Next important thing, let's focus on hydration. Most of the kids tend to not drink water during winter because they are not very thirsty. So this time what you are supposed to do is ensure that you give warm water sips throughout the day for kids. Give them warm soups, give them coconut water or buttermilk, whatever they are interested in. Many people have this misconception कि coconut water और buttermilk से बच्चों को सर्दी होती है, but that is not the case. आप आराम से उनको ये सब चीज़ें दे सकते हैं. Third important thing, how are you going to take care of the skin? What happens is like most of the times winters में skin dry हो जाता है, itching हो जाता है, and if eczema के tendencies ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, so what you are supposed to do is ensure your kids are having a quick short bath with lukewarm water, and immediately after bath when the skin is moist, a generous amount of a moisturizer, a gentle moisturizer you can apply. Make sure that the moisturizers do not have a lot of fragrance, which is again going to be irritant. So a non-fragrant generous amount of gentle moisturizer twice a day will do the job, and the skin is going to be moist. Third important thing is nutrition and immunity. इस weather में what are the things which you can include in your diet and in your kids diet so that they are able to fight the infections better. Most important thing is vitamin C rich foods, the seasonal fruit जैसे कि oranges है, आंवला है, guava है, they are very rich in vitamin C. Include them in your diet. Give them a high protein diet which consists of egg and chicken, whatever you prefer. And third important thing, include nuts in your diet because nuts से क्या होता है बच्चों में they have that warmth in their body and that is going to keep them at ease throughout the winter. Next important thing what we are going to do about is whether should you allow outdoor activity during this time or not is a big question. Definitely you can allow. Do not let your kids to be indoors all the time. You can give them some time during the day whenever the sun is there. आप उनको allow कर सकते हैं, बाहर outdoor activity कर सकते हैं. Next important thing, ये season में क्या होता है, there is high risk of infections, like the cough and cold, flu हो जाता है, pneumonia हो जाता है, and if the child is having tendency of asthmatic attacks, these attacks can increase. So इसके लिए you are supposed to inculcate few hygienic habits in your kids, such as make sure that they do hand washing, and when a sick person is around they don't go close by because क्या होता है उनसे droplet infections होते हैं. You do hand washing before eating food, before entering home. All those things you are supposed to teach your kids. And most important thing is the vaccination. Vaccination is going to prevent various infections. It is not that vaccination is going to not let your child get infection. Yes, they will get infected most of the times, but they will be able to handle the severity better, and that is the whole point. You are supposed to vaccinate your kids. That is important. And next important thing, अगर बच्चों को cough हो जाती है इस time में, don't go for various kind of cough syrups which are available over the counter. What you can do is give them lukewarm water. If they do sip that, क्या होता है usually the mucosa, respiratory mucosa dry हो जाता है winters में, and if they keep sipping this water, it is going to be moist, irritation less होता है, cough less होता है, and various studies have told tell us that honey and lukewarm water is a very good remedy whenever the child is having cough. You allow them to sip this throughout the day, they are going to be better. Next important thing, अगर बच्चों को fever आता है, give them paracetamol as per the required dose, whatever your pediatrician has told you. But whenever you see danger signs, जैसे कि बच्चा ज़्यादा बीमार है, fever कम नहीं हो रहा है, feeds नहीं ले रहा है, the baby is sick, not very active, in time में आपको अपने pediatrician से immediately you are supposed to go to them and show your child. And we at Muslim Maternity are also available 24/7. So if you have anything with your child, we are here to guide you, get the best out of our efficient team who is there in Muslim Maternity 24/7. I think that's all for now in this short video. We'll meet next time. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.